Something interesting, I don't know, a little bit ago.
Oh, what did?
Weather. Yeah, once in a while you do.
Oh, wow.
You talked about the things fogging up.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
yesterday, we were outside, my wife, the cat and the dog was really cute. The cat was right up by the dog pond. I said, get your camera. She brings it, it's just completely fogged
The
over.
lens.
The lens was gone.
Glass.
Humid.
Yeah, that cools off and just condenses on there. Actually, Daphne had a good blog post over the weekend about the science behind that, which a lot of people kind of learn in elementary school and then they forget as they hit adulthood, and then they're surprised by it when it happens to them. Let's take a look at what's happening out there. And it goes not just for prescription glasses or cameras, but just your regular sunglasses you buy from the gas station can do it too. We're looking at a lot of rain off to our northwest through Missouri, Kansas, even as close as Illinois. But that unsettled weather pattern is going to take its sweet time dropping down towards us. Eventually, we are going to see a better chance of more widespread showers and thunderstorms, but that's really not in the forecast until later on this week. In the meantime, we have been tracking some fog in eastern middle Tennessee this morning, updating the view here from Carthage, our usual foggy spot, and that fog has really dissipated quite quickly, so it's going to be completely gone within the next hour, and that means temperatures are going to have no problem warming up. 76 degrees right now in Nashville, 76 very warm, very muggy degree. 76 Smyrna, 75 in Murfreesboro, low to mid 70s for the most part currently across the mid-state. The warm spot is 77 degrees in Franklin, Kentucky. Cool spot, 70. Not a single location across the mid-state has dropped into the upper 60s, not even in those usual cooler spots in the higher terrain of eastern middle Tennessee. So a warmer than normal start, and we will heat up rapidly as we go through the day. Low 90s by noon, mid to even upper 90s for highs this afternoon, anticipating a high in Nashville of 97. Heat index with that humidity factored in, it's going to feel like 101 to 105. The National Weather Service has not posted a heat advisory for today, but just treat it like there is still that heat advisory in effect. Same hot weather common sense precautions necessary for humans and for your furry friends as well if they are outdoor animals. If you're heading down to the Sounds game this evening, it's still going to be hot and humid. Now there is the chance for an isolated to widely scattered thunderstorm, but it's that type of weather pattern when we have no idea exactly when, exactly where they're going to develop. Best chances during the afternoon, and then things have a tendency to settle down. So I think they should be okay for the Sounds game this evening. And of course, we'll keep an eye on it throughout the rest of the day. But Futurecast is not impressed with our rain chances at all. A few blips showing up here and there, mainly on the fringes of the mid-state. The best rain chance staying up to our north again today. Now that is going to drop just a little bit closer to us every day as we head through the week. And we're talking about a better than 50-50 chance of rain by the time Thursday and Friday roll around. For tomorrow, we'll start to see a couple storms bubbling up by noon. More on the radar simulation for tomorrow compared to today. It's not a guarantee of rain, but it's just a better chance for a little bit of that rain-cooled air to spread out across the mid-state after we climb up into the mid-90s already by early tomorrow afternoon. And then everything quiets down in the evening. We'll do that again on Wednesday. Marginal risk of a severe storm or two in southern Kentucky today. I think the Storm Prediction Center has just been very cautious in the way they've drawn this. The best chance of storms overall is going to stay up along the Ohio River. I think they've just drawn it this way in case one or two of those storms makes a right turn and makes a run towards our counties there in southern Kentucky. We'll keep an eye on that, but even with the better storm chances later on this week, we're not talking about a high probability of severe weather, just more rain and thus slightly cooler temperatures. We're getting to the time of year when the average high temperature is about as hot as it gets, so an unseasonably cool day is when we stay in the upper 80s like we do on Friday. Doesn't mean it's going to feel comfortable. There's still going to be plenty of humidity and will be just a degree above 90. The way things look right now for Saturday and Sunday with still some spotty storm chances. Very typical for late July as we wrap up the month on Sunday. August right around the corner.
Wow.
That's hard to believe.
Flying.
All right, Paul, thank you.